Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding. Today we're talking about our self-employed, no tax return mortgages that we offer. We're the nation's #1 self-employed lender in America. We specialize and focus on helping self-employed, the small business owner in America, to get funding for their mortgage with low down payment, low rate, affordable financing. You don't need tax returns. You don't need W-2s. You don't need pay stubs with Angelo Christian in order to get your mortgage. We have awesome programs using just your 1099, just your bank statement or your profit and loss. So you can buy your house, either primary residence, second home, investment property, and you don't need tax returns. That's the amazing thing. You might go to a bank and a bank might tell you, hey, you don't make enough income to qualify, or you don't have W-2s, you don't have pay stubs, and they deny you for the loan. Well, it's nonsense. It's actually insane. Small business owners, with all the expenses that they have, it's impossible to qualify for a conventional bank mortgage. So we have private lending and non-QM loans to help the self-employed. It doesn't matter the type of line of work that you're in. Some businesses, they're different, as far as how they collect accounts receivable on the accrual basis or the cash basis, but you can still be able to purchase a home. So I want to talk about this today, about some of the requirements. It does require that you have to be self-employed for at least 2 years. You have to have ideally a 660 or higher credit score. For 10% down to be able to buy a home, you have to have a 700 or higher credit score. The minimum loan amount is $200,000. There is no bankruptcy or foreclosure allowed in the last 4 years. And it has to be in the United States. The only state you cannot do this loan program is in New York. It has to be for your primary residence, or it can be for a secondary home or a rental property. You have to close in your personal name if it's for your primary residence. If it's an investment property, you can close an LLC. They do like to see that you have previous rent history for at least the last year. The bank statement program requires 12 months of bank statements. The P&L program requires the last 12 months of your profit and loss. If you're doing the 1099 only, it requires 1 year of 1099 with the last 3 months of bank statements. The maximum debt ratio is 50%. For 10% down, you can go up to 2 million. 20% down up to 3 million, 30% down up to 4 million, 40% down up to 5 million. And the higher and higher, we can go up to a $10 million primary home loan. So 30-year fixed rate. These all have no mortgage insurance. The interest rates are starting around 6%. They go up from there based on what you qualify for. It's a great loan program, though. There is no mortgage insurance. You can get closing costs, concessions, and cover the closing costs. So it's a great program. So if we can help you with this, like I said, don't be a stranger. All the links you should be able to see the links down below to get signed up, to get pre-approved, or up on the top. Call or text our office, 832-431-6331. There's no cost for enrollment. There's no hard credit check, so it doesn't affect your points. Don't be a stranger. Like I said, think of us, reach out to us if we can help you. We've been actively lending in America for over 20 years. And don't forget about our loan partner program. If you want to get paid for your referrals, reach out to us, send us an email to get paid for your referrals. Or if you want to join our real estate university, check out Angelo Christian on the realestatuniversity.online. All the links are down below to get signed up for that too. So, like I said, if you got denied by your bank, or someone that's struggling and they have a good small business, they're doing well, and they want to get pre-approved for their home, reach out to Angelo Christian. We specialize in the non-QM private lending for the self-employed. So please give us a call, text our office, or go down on the links below. If we can help you, reach out to us, 832-431-6331. It's where America goes for funding, guys. Thank you all so much.